Cindy, we have been practicing the syllabication process, and today you are going to practice syllabicating some words to me in the correct order that we do. And before we get started, let's do a little bit of a review. And we're going to be syllabicating, looks like some compound words, okay? So we have the word, let's say we have the word, let me get up here. Now, I don't want you reading the word, okay? I'm not going to read the word yet. Now, the first thing that we should do is we should underline our vowels. Let's label them and bridge them together. And I see 3 consonants here. Now, remember, we can't have 3 consonants on our bridge. So I see a digraph here that we can scoop together and label it as one consonant, and V is our consonant. All right, so we have the VCCV pattern, okay? So remember, when we have the VCCV pattern, we divide the word between both of those consonants, okay? Now let's look at this one. We have a vowel that's between 2 consonants. So remember that syllable, we would call it a closed syllable. Let's look at our second syllable. We have a vowel between 2 consonants. So that would be a closed syllable. So let's read our first syllable.
Flash.
Good. Second syllable.
Back.
Good. Now let's read it together.
Flashback.
Very good. So what I want you to do on this piece, on your paper here, we have a list of words that I want you to talk through the process of syllabication for each word.
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to find and label my first 2 vowels. I'm going to draw a bridge to connect the vowels. And I'm going to label the consonants on the bridge, and I see that I have CK, and that I'm going to scoop that together since I cannot have but 2 consonants on the bridge, so CK is considered as one consonant sound, and I have consonant P. So I have a VCCV pattern. I know to divide that between the 2 consonants. So now I am going to label the syllables. In the first syllable, I have vowel A, and it's between consonants, so I am going to mark that as a closed syllable. And in the second syllable, I have vowel A between consonants, and I'm going to mark that as closed. So in my first syllable, it says back. Second syllable, pack. Backpack.
Very nice. Very nice.
All right, next word. I'm going to find and label the vowels. Draw a bridge to connect my vowels. I am going to label the consonants on the bridge. I have a S and a T, so I have a VCCV pattern, so I divide that between the 2 consonants, and I'm going to label my syllables. I have vowel U between consonants, and that is closed vowel. I have vowel A followed by consonant, so I'm going to mark that vowel as closed. Mustang.
Very good.
Next, I'm going to find and label the first 2 vowels. I'm going to draw a bridge to connect my vowels. Next, I will label the consonants on the bridge. I have NK. I know that goes together, so I'm going to scoop that together and mark that as C for consonant and W as consonant. I have a VCCV pattern. I am going to divide between the 2 consonants, and now I am going to label my syllable types. In the first syllable, I have vowel I followed by a consonant, so I'm going to mark that as closed. And in the second syllable, I have vowel E followed by consonants, and I'm going to mark that as closed as well. My first syllable says ink. And my second syllable says well, inkwell. All right. In the next word, I am going to find and label the first two vowels. Okay. I'm going to draw a bridge to connect my vowels, and then I am going to label my consonants on the bridge. I have 3 consonants there, so I'm going to scoop NK together and mark that as one consonant and consonant L. I have a VCCV pattern. I'm going to divide between the 2 consonants, and now I'm going to label my syllable types. In the first syllable, I have vowel A followed by a consonant, so I'm going to mark that as closed. And in my second syllable, I am going to mark the vowel I as closed because it is followed by a consonant. I'm going to read my syllables. In the first syllable, I have Frank, and in the second syllable, I have Lynn, Franklin.
Very good. Let's do one more.
All right, great. Okay, and this word, I am going to first find and underline my first 2 vowels. I am going to draw a bridge to connect my vowels, and then I'm going to label the consonants on the bridge. I have 3 consonants, and I know that TH is a digraph, and that's going to be scooped together and marked as one consonant and consonant M.
Mm-hmm.
I have a VCCV pattern, so I'm going to divide between the 2 consonants, and now I am going to label the syllable types. And in the first syllable, I have vowel A followed by consonant, so I'm going to mark it as closed. In the second syllable, I have vowel A followed by a consonant. I'm going to mark it as closed. And when I read the syllables, the first syllable says bath, and the second syllable says mat, bath mat.
Excellent job. Excellent.
Thank you.